Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can enable chat heads or chat bubbles in Messenger. So let's get right into it. Chat heads are basically, well, sort of bubbles, as I mentioned, sort of circular icons of the chats which you're currently having with other people that appear on your screen, where you can easily just access it and write your message and then just go back to whatever it is that you're doing. It appears over your UI of the device that you're using, and it is very useful to have. Now, to enable them, if you don't already have them, you just need to go into the menu, go into the settings with the gear icon, scroll down to preferences, and at the bottom you'll see bubbles. Once you're here, just make sure that bubbles is enabled, and that should be it. If they still don't appear, your phone might be having trouble with any permissions. It needs to actually run them, so make sure you go into your phone's settings and make sure that Messenger has the required permissions and that it is set to run over other apps and to show over other apps while running, and that is basically what you need to do to fix it. And that should be pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.